Hello and welcome for checking out this course. Now, maybe you've been curious about the Tarot for a long time and never really got into it. Well, then we have information here for you how to start out and how to develop your skill. And maybe you've been working with the cards for some time, but also looking towards how to develop it that step further, right? Or even for the advanced tarot reader, I got insights here for you how you can expand upon your spreads and really derive that much more information. And that's what I do as a professional tarot reader, and been reading the cards here since 1990 on the phone. But 15 years prior to that, I was still nearly on a daily basis working with the tarot, laying cards for friends, family, friends of friends, and so forth. And so I finally launched and went professional there in 1990. So I have a lot of good insights for you. I hope you will enjoy this course. By the end of it, you should definitely be well equipped to be able to give accurate readings with good insight, because we're also going to be looking at how you can develop your intuition and use that too in accordance with the cards. Because one thing is the cards in itself. All these cards, they reflect real life situations, but it's when you really develop and input your intuition is when you start getting the psychic readings, which is a little bit different. Some people are born psychic. I've had that with clairvoyance and psychic intuitiveness since I was a child. But even if you don't have that, you can still become a very good tarot reader by going by the cards themselves. But we will speak about intuition. We'll speak about how you can come to develop it and so forth. So, but yes, I welcome you to class.